मोर नाम सोनू सबर मुई दामदी गाया रहिबार नको मुई अनेक गरीब सबर नको आगु मुई सफा सुतरो हेक नाई जानिनु जेते खुण माइनो दीदी आसय सबने धोय मांजे रहिबे बनि बनय फायदा हबाय तोरनी ता मुई ध्यान नाई दें की होबे को हाटक गेनु हाटे हे देखुसुन दिने गोटेक नाटक जे उई साफ सुथरो बारे ने बनो से जे हाथों सफा करबे बनी बनना फिर पछे मुई धीरे धीरे ध्यानटा आसना जे मुई बनो सो ए रकनी के जान आमहो हे सफा सुथरो रहने जोर अगुस नाई हेबा फिर गोटेक साबन आनु हाटो हूँ घर काणनु घरे हे बहु ही रागी हेउसत
बेकार पैसा का जे बर्बाद करू से जे
जेते खुण मोर बहु रागी हेउसी ताव मुई साबन एनी हाथ जे सफा करूँ ताव पछे मुख देख देखनी घर नको है सफा सुथरो हेने हेने धीरे धीरे बेमार जे कम हेना
तुम्हार नाम ताले की
हेने कुतलू दादा आमर घरक आसना कहनी गोटेक नेखीना कुतलू दादा आर मोक देखी सबु नक जान भेटा नहीं आशा पाशा गाँवर नको सबु नक जाने नुआ हाथो धोबा नागी कथा है नहीं
The most significant change technique, or MSE, has been used by UNICEF in India to monitor and evaluate behavior change programs in 4 domains: exclusive breastfeeding, girls' education, hand washing, and HIV and AIDS.
We wanted to go beyond the data that was being generated from quantitative techniques like knowledge, attitudes, and practices studies to actually try and understand the nuances of changes that were taking place in the community.
आपका नाम क्या है? रेखा.
The process begins with a collection of stories of change in these domains over a specified period of time. The person who has undergone the change narrates his or her experience to the story writer.
गाड़ी आई थी लेने के लिए. फिर क्या हुआ?
The writer then ensures that the why and how of the change is captured in a carefully designed format.
आज हम सब यहाँ पर लोगों में हुए बदलाव की कहानियाँ सुनने को इकट्ठे हुए हैं.
Next, a group of stakeholders from the village sits together and reads aloud the stories of significant change that have been collected. Then, an in-depth discussion is held about the value of the changes reflected in the stories.
हमें मत देकर चुनाव करना है.
This leads to the participatory selection of the most significant stories, which is at the heart of the MSE technique. This selection process is repeated at the block and district to select the most significant change stories of the entire district. This encourages dialogue and consensus building among the various stakeholders about the changes perceived as being most significant.
सोमवती की कहानी का चयन किया गया है.
सोमवती की कहानी में मतलब चयन उस टाइम हुई है ना, सारी महिलाएं इस बात के लिए कहेंगी कि बहुत अच्छा लगा है, बहुत खुशी हुई है इस बात की.
जैसा कि आपने देखा कि किसी समुदाय की कहानी का चयन होता है तो लोगों को बहुत गर्व होता है. जब एक बार कहानी का चयन हो जाता है तब उन्हें दोबारा जाकर के बताते कि उनकी कहानी का चयन क्यों हुआ है या क्यों नहीं हुआ है. इस प्रकार का फीडबैक लोगों में सबर प्रक्रिया के प्रति दिलचस्पी बनाए रखता है.
Finally, the MSE stories are analyzed to gather insights into the change process as perceived by the people.
The finally selected stories are content analyzed. We first analyze the stories to know what are the results and outcomes coming out, and also then we look at to know what is the process of change. We also undertake quantitative analysis of the stories to know that from which specific target group these stories are coming, so that we can then design our program strategy to focus on these specific excluded groups.
ये कहानी असम की कहानी है.
The unique participatory nature of the MSc technique has meant that all the stakeholders had to be sensitized and trained to use it as well. An extensive training program was undertaken to ensure this.
Stories of change form the basis of the MSc technique. These stories should capture the process of change, and that's not easy. So the story collectors had to be trained. In the MSc technique, several stakeholders are involved in the selection of stories, and these include NGO representatives, government officials, people who are collecting stories, and even some of those who are the storytellers themselves. So UNICEF has developed a training manual and 3 training films.
नमस्कार मित्रों, सबब की इस भूमिका में आप सबका स्वागत है।
Through the MSc process till the end of 2010, more than 4,600 stories of change have been collected from 7 states. And several valuable qualitative insights into behavior and social change on the key behaviors have been gathered. But that's not all.
From our observation in the field, we can see that people build capacity when they try to select stories, the negotiation skills, the argumentation. This really becomes an important outcome, an indirect outcome of the process.
And the storytellers, whose stories become most significant change stories, thrive in the social acknowledgement of their peers, often becoming agents of change.
जेते कुन मोर कहानी बाछने आसा पासा गाँवर नको सब मोक डाकने नुआ हाथों धोबा नागे जाने देनु मुई मुई अनेक खुशी हेनु समाजे जाने देनु मुई।